There's been a lot of advancement in materials for wheelchairs, and they come a lot from the cycle industry. So most wheelchair frames are made from steel, aluminum, steel/aluminum, alloy, titanium, carbon fiber, and most of them are lightweight, but they are going to depend on the strength, the cost, and the method of attaching everything together. So you have the standard wheelchair, which are generally useful for short-term use, such as like rentals at the airport or the shopping mall. They're folding chairs, basically with just wheels fixed. There's not a lot of seat choice with the width and the depth. They're also the heaviest of the manual wheelchairs and therefore not very useful for long term. Next, you have the lightweight and then the lightweight high strength wheelchairs, which is less than the standard chair, but they also tend to have similar features, but they are more flexible in choice of seat width and adjustment of back height. Then you have the ultra lightweight wheelchair, which is substantially lighter, and they are useful, they are considered useful for an individual who uses a manual wheelchair as a primary use of mobility. It has the folding frame and is available for a lower seat to floor height for individuals who can propel with their feet. Then you have the Rigid Sport ultralight wheelchairs, which is a huge growth area right now. The primary difference between these and all of the other ones is the rigid frame. So these chairs have a quick release rear wheel, and the back of most of them fold down to facilitate transfer and storage. So the seat to floor height of the chair of this one, along with the ultra lightweight wheelchair, is debated by access to tables, counters, and other structures, also access to floor for users who propel with their feet.